I'm going to explain two tools for forensic. So the two tools are PDF Info and Exiftool. PDF Info, okay, plus PDF Info is used to analyzing the PDF ransom. There is a one PDF here, ransom vector.pdf. PDF. Yes, here is shown the list of contents about the PDF in detail. Background information about the PDF. Title here is pay now. The subject is we have got to. Author is the author who created the ransomware is Anne Gree Shepard, and creator Microsoft, producer Microsoft is a word, and the creation date the payload created in the December 23 of GMT time, and mod date of where is when the date the payload have been modified like that, tagged user property suspects form JavaScript encrypted like that. It will shows the information about that PDF. What is the version of PDF they created? Like that, much more detail is identified. Likewise, we can analyze the JPEG or PNG image also. For a JPEG, I use Exiftool. Here shown that one JPG file is located here. Exiftool letter. Okay. Yes. Okay. We will identify the JP, JPEG image and perform the analysis using Exif tool. So it shows the list of content corresponding value to that. So Exif tool version number is 10 point. These are not important. We have to identify what are the details which is left by the attacker or the adversary. So come here compression, okay, canon make is canon, and camera model he is taken that picture is canon eos or 6, orientation is horizontal, x resolution is 300, y resolution is 300, resolution unit is inches, software gimpic, gimp, the software name, and exposure program is manual, iso is 640, sensitive type is recommended exposure index, okay, exif version is 0321, and aperture value, max aperture value, like that, more hidden detail which is shown here. So comment is also important. Comment is you showing here. Some comment is showing here, and like that, more and more important detail is shown here. Okay, tells. So these are the much more details about the image, converted image like that. So all the information is available about the attacker or adversary except IP like that. We have here shown that GPS longitude and latitude also shown here, based on the latitude and the GPS longitude position. Like that, you will see lot and lot of information, metadata information here. So that's